Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter promo codes on Roblox mobile. So let's get straight into it. So first, open the Roblox app and tap on the More button in the bottom right corner here. So from here, scroll down and select Help and Safety from the menu. And then just tap on Help, and in the search bar here, type Redeem and search it. So just select the article how to redeem and spend your gift card or a similar option. And then from here, look for the link to roblox.com/redeem in the article. And then just tap on it. So after that, here enter your promo code like Spider Cola in the provided field here, like so. And then simply check the required boxes if prompted and tap redeem. A message like code successfully redeemed will confirm your promo code is applied. So that's basically how you can enter promo codes on Roblox mobile. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.